Hey, what's up YouTube? So I recently just put up a video talking about the band Jordan 1s, how I customized them. I have them right here. One thing that I didn't include on the video was the bottoms. If you're painting the soles a different color, the paint will come off when you start walking in them. I picked up a box of their sole shields from Reshoevn8r, and what you do is you apply this to the bottom of your shoe, and it comes with these grip pads. As you see here, I've probably worn them about 5 or 6 times. And they're still holding up. These are the grip pads right here, and what it does is it protects the paint on the shoe and it protects the sole for some time. Swear to God. All right, so that's my mother-in-law. So this sole shield here, they come with 2 of them.
Obviously.
And what I'm gonna do is I recently did these. This is your bread toe Jordan 1s. I didn't upload the video. I didn't even record a video for these because I just wanted to get them done. But now that as good as they look, I regret kind of not doing it. So I added all the details to it. The shoe looks pretty dope. So I thought I'd make a video real quick for you guys on how to apply the sole shields. All right, so what you're gonna need to go ahead and apply the sole shields onto the bottom soles of your shoe. So let's go ahead and clear the clutter to see what's inside this box. Come on. All right, cool. Now that we have a clean surface, let's go ahead and open up this box and show you guys what's inside. Comes with your alcohol prep pads, 2 of them. Comes with 2 of your shield things, and then it should come with 4 grip pads. One thing that I'm kind of nervous about actually doing is cleaning the bottom of the shoe with the alcohol pads, because there is fresh paint, on there, and I don't really want to take any of the paint off. So I just made sure visually that there's no dust or debris on them, and they look good. So you want the glossy side down and the matte side up, okay? This is the side that's gonna be pretty sticky. What you do is you place your shoe in the center on both sides, about right there. Take your pen and you just outline the shoe, okay? There you go there. Next, what you do is you go ahead and take your scissors, and you're gonna cut that out. All right, so now that we have it cut out perfectly to match the shoe, as you can see, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and peel off the section here. Peel off the section here. Peel off this. Okay, I got it. Sweet. Ah! Now this thing is very grabby, as you can see. Ah! Okay. Now, you want to line it up. A basic lineup. Let's go ahead and grab from, you want to line up as closely as possible with your actual sole, not your sole, but the shoe sole. If you want to line up your sole, I mean, grab Jesus, you know what I'm saying? Oh crap. Okay, wait. Okay, I almost got it. Okay. All right. And feel free to readjust as you attempt the unachievable. Very stubborn, which is a good thing. Okay, so now that we got the sole covered by the blood of Jesus, we're gonna go ahead and, the sole shield. Sorry, I thought I was doing a different video. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take your heat gun. As you can see, it's lined up pretty well, actually. Yeah, pretty good. This is another cloth I got with a cleaning pack from Reshoevn8r. This is not sponsored by Reshoevn8r, so don't think that that's the case, because I'm a nobody. So now, let's go ahead and start applying heat. Let's go ahead and put it in your lap, like so. Get your heat gun and start heating up these areas, and then getting the towel and kind of massaging it into position. Heat it up and massage. Do like three movements and then massage. That's like the best way to describe it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You don't want to overheat it, because then you could melt it, right? But as you can see, if you step away and keep going back and forth, you can really get in there. Massage and press. Now, you'll see some areas that are kind of like not connecting. Get in there with your nail real quick. Don't wait too long though, because it will cool down. I did this one on the last shoe, and I left it on for a little while, and it was really hot and it burned my finger. So be careful. Now I'm just pressing. I'm gonna do one more like quick heat pass. And just freehand it real quick. No cloth. Boom. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. It completely formed around the logo, which is really nice. You're gonna go ahead and grab your grip pads. Peel the grip pad back. All right. You want to go ahead and position it in the general area. Shakugala, right there. Right? Boom. Now, get the other one. Boom. You get it right here. Right. Squeezle right there. All right. Heat it up. Don't beat it up, heat it up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Get your rag. Kind of press it in. Press it in. Ah. Heat it up one more time. And then press it in. Get it in there. Let it know who's boss. Right? That's it. And there you have it. That's how you apply the Reshoevn8r sole shields onto your soles. And if you do want to figure out how to put protection on your own sole, go ahead and drop the comments below. I'd be more than happy to chat it up. Make sure you protect your soles, because you only have one sole, and you want to protect it. So, all right, guys, there you have it. That's how you apply the sole shields to your shoe. Thanks for joining the channel. If you are liking this content, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next shoe. Peace out.